This is the easy part of the installation. Trust me. I purchased this off Amazon.ca. I just wanted to buy the cheapest brand because it's just going on my work truck. Putting these things on your fender flares are probably one of the most painfulest thing I've ever had to do. Jesus Christ. And if you do buy fender flare, buy the highest quality ones, because these ones are not the best quality. But just make sure that sticky side is on the outside of the fender flares. Come on. They say in less than 2 hours, you got this shit on your truck already? Bullshit. Fuck. This thing is a pain in the ass, I tell you. And the damn thing won't stick properly. When you're putting this stuff on, do the hard side first. Just to get the pain out of the way, you know? The rest is not a breeze. I tell you that. See, when I'm talking about bad quality, like, are you serious right now? You buy cheap, you get cheap.